Before I ask this question, I'll just introduce myself. I'm a practitioner of modern allopathic medicine.
MashaAllah.
I feel that modern medicine has basically taken the path of modern societies, post-industrial revolution, where everything you want at a click of a button. So therefore, I feel that humans' expectation of modern healthcare is at a click of a button, and I feel that attitude is also adopted too. So for example, adopting a healthy lifestyle is too difficult. So instead of taking a statin to control cholesterol, people expect that they'll take a herb in a pill form, and therefore, do you think that is applicable? Because the whole paradigm of natural medicine is a completely different paradigm for modern medicine, and you cannot approach, even as a patient, natural medicine as you're approaching modern medicine, because it's a simple fix. People want to lose weight by taking a pill, because that's easy to do. Do you think that's an appropriate way of looking at things?
I think it's a very good way, and you're right. You know, people want a quick fix and don't want to take responsibility for changing their own behavior. And so-called allopathic, because that's not a correct word for it. So a particular pharmaceutical approach they take to circumvent is a bit like jadoo, really. Yeah, it's a bit like magic. It says to you, you can do whatever you like, just take this pill and you'll be all right. So, you know, forgive me if I just make a light-hearted approach to so-called modern medicine. Modern medicine physicians and practitioners do an amazing job in their fields, like trauma work, yeah, surgery, and other things. But when it comes to most of their drugs, not all of it, most of their drugs are like magic. It says you can do whatever you like. Here is a pill. So they are very good magicians. And people like magic, astaghfirullah. Yeah? People have always liked magic. So there are good magicians, and people want to have magic, they go for it. Now, sometimes it's necessary, but most of the time, those things do not work. So people have to take, that's why I started by saying you have to take responsibility. We have to take responsibility. So natural medicine says to you, you have to take responsibility. The word doctor originally meant what? Not a magician. The word doctor from Greek comes a teacher. Original Hippocratic medicine was based on natural laws, and the doctors were teachers, helping people how to live their life healthy. So we can't blame the allopathic doctors. They're doing their work. As long as the society says to them, this is what we want, they do that. If the society wants to change, then they'll start. For example, now enlightened allopathic doctors are learning alternative and natural medicines, yeah? Because there is an increasing demand by the public, but also some of them realize that they don't want to practice magic anymore. They want to work with real nature and real fitra and things. So society will change and people will change. So yes, you're right, I think.